Okay, so today we basically just had a work day to work through this assignment, and since tomorrow is going to be a half day of school, I decided to not make it for homework and just give people time in class to work tomorrow. So you don't have to submit this today, just please get it in by tomorrow. Right, and so then we just did a couple more examples today. So again, for this one, you're looking for factors of 8 that are going to add up to -2. So our factors of 8 are 1 and 8 and 2 and 4. So if we have 2 and 4, right, this negative here with our 8 tells us we need one of each sign. So, and since the 2 is negative, that means our larger number has to have the negative sign. So we do x minus 4 and x plus 2. Right, so then for this one, later in the video, I actually showed you all a shorter method to do this. So just skip ahead to that part. Right, and again, we did a shorter method, which involves multiplying our 27 and our 8, and then finding possible factors from there. This is number 10 of the homework. It can only be factored this far, so you can only, thought I had my laser pointer on, you can only factor out a 5 here. There's no, you can't factor this any further, so this is as far as you have to go for number 10. And this is that other method. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take our outside numbers. So 6 times 2 is 12. So 6 times 2 is 12. So then we're looking for our factors of 12. So 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, and we're looking for factors that are going to add up to 7. So our factors that will add up to 7 are 3 and 4. So then basically what we're doing is we're taking this 7 and replacing it with 3x plus 4x. Then what we do is we group it together. So we do our first group of 2, our second group of 2. So then from our first group, we're looking for a greatest common factor. So 6x squared plus 3x. So our greatest common factor, so the biggest thing we can divide both of these by evenly is 3x. Then we do 6x squared divided by 3x is 2x, and 3x divided by 3x is 1. From our second group, the greatest common factor is 2, so we divide both of our terms by 2, so 4x divided by 2 is 2x, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now we have something that looks like the last 4 problems from our assignment from Tuesday, right, where our greatest common factor is going to be something that's in parentheses. So our greatest common factor at this point is 2x plus 1, so that goes here. And then we just take what we have in front and pull it to our other set of parentheses, making 2x plus 1 times 3x plus 2 our final answer. You're gonna take your 4 times your 9, right, which is what? All right, so then factors of 36, you've got 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, and 6 and 6. So, and again, we've got the sign rule kind of still applies here. So we need one of each sign, and we've got to add to -5. So 4 and 9 with which one negative? 9 negative, right? So then we're going to replace our -5 with 4x minus 9x. So our 7 just kind of stays there. Right, and then you do your 2 groups, group 1, group 2. Right, common factor for the first group is 4x, which leaves you with x plus 1. Common factor for the second group, -9. Right, you need to pull out the negative there because if not, you need to get the same thing in the middle here. So if your sign's wrong, you just have to pull out a negative. And then so then your final answer, so you've got the 7 from the outside still, we're just bringing it down. And then you get x plus 1 and 4x minus 9.